Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your application with ApplyBoard easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ApplyBoard website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Security tab on the left side menu. Click on the Security tab to access your security settings. You will see options for two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method of receiving codes, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to set up your two-factor authentication. After setting up, save your changes. Next, revisit the Security tab. Look for the Password Management option. Click on Change Password. Enter your current password followed by your new password. Be sure to create a strong password combining letters, numbers, and symbols. Save your new password changes. Now, return to the dashboard. Check for any notifications regarding security updates. Address any pending alerts to ensure your application remains secure. Lastly, regularly review your security settings every few months. This will help maintain the integrity of your application on ApplyBoard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.